Dealing with hot plates can be a real pain in the kitchen, quite literally. Today we are looking at a compact solution, the NentMent Silicone Hot Bowl Finger Sleeves. They arrive in simple, minimal packaging. This specific set promises anti-scalding protection for your fingers when handling items from the microwave or air fryer. Let's get this open and see what they look like. The pair of textured grippers are enclosed in another protective bag. The small size and finger design not only makes them more adept at handling hot items, but also doesn't clutter your kitchen drawers like bulky mitts. Notice the ridges on the surface. They are a key design feature intended to increase friction and prevent bowls from slipping. While they are small, the silicone material is surprisingly dense, providing a reliable thermal barrier for quick tasks like grabbing toast trays or items off a grill. They are easy to clean with just a quick rinse. We hope you found this video informative.